Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 242 Shoemaker Lane here in Agawam, Massachusetts.
If you're in the market for a charming 3-bedroom cape with some unique updated features, then you're not going to want to miss this one.
I love this updated property. Some of my favorite features are the updated eat-in kitchen, granite countertops, and wood floors.
This incredible property includes a first floor bedroom with a half bath and 2 additional bedrooms with a full bath on the second level.
There's so much character throughout this home with a large living room and fireplace. It also includes a partially finished basement.
Located on over a quarter of an acre, this beautiful property has everything you need, such as a completely fenced-in yard, steel roof, garage, hot water on demand system, and so much more.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 242 Shoemaker Lane here in Agawam, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at Rovithis Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you. Unique updated features. 4-bed loft.
Come on.
Level. Anything. What about?
I gotta do that again. Living room, yow.
You will. That's what you're gonna get known for.
Yow.
Come slow. Sorry. A quarter acre. Oh yeah. Alright, I gotta take off. I gotta get back to my picture.
Oh, and just leave us high and dry?
I am.